I'm Dr. Nidhi Navani, Ayurvedic consultant with Asha Healing Hub. Today I'll be giving you insight about PMS and how it can be managed with the personalized treatments at Asha Healing Hub. Now, most of us are already aware that PMS stands for premenstrual syndrome, and it's a group of symptoms which almost 90% of females experience from the day of their ovulation till she gets her monthly period. Now let us find out what are the actual causes of PMS. Many researchers, they say that PMS is mainly because there is a certain kind of changes in the sexual hormones of the female during her ovulation period, especially the level of estrogen, progesterone, they increase. Now, having PMS, anyone experiencing moderate to severe symptoms of PMS, I would advise they should not ignore the symptoms, because the sudden onset of mood swings, it causes a kind of depression. It affects them both personally and professionally. Now, frequent panic attacks, they disturb their mental health and physical health as well. Now, lack of concentration, the lack of concentration, it disturbs their focus on their professional work. Suppose the productivity is reduced, and even they lack somewhere in finishing of their daily tasks. As a result, it gives them a setback somewhere in their profession also. Then coming to in severe cases, we have seen cases where females, there is a lack of sleep, they are not able to sleep. So the body doesn't get rest in the whole of the night. Definitely there will be a tendency in the overall tissues to get inflamed. Now this inflammation causes a type of fatigue in the entire body, a kind of pain in the entire body, and many a times it goes undiagnosed, because females, they feel that okay, the pain is there, I'm having the body is sore, they are not able to work. So as soon as anyone identifies, okay, they are able to identify, okay, yes, I'm undergoing these symptoms, they should not just ignore it. As soon as they identify it, and if they are able to categorize it, okay, it's a mild symptom which can be taken care of certain corrective measures, they should immediately follow those corrective measures. If they feel no, these symptoms are literally they are hampering my daily activities and my productivity in my work, then definitely they should go and meet a expert doctor or consultant and take the advice or treatment, whatever is advised by the doctor for this PMS. Anyone experiencing mild symptoms of PMS can actually fix it up, try to fix it up by drinking plenty of oral fluids, then taking multivitamins, calciums, then taking a balanced diet, balanced food, so that their overall health and energy levels, they are at high, and they can function at their optimum level. Then sleeping minimum 8 hours a day. Try to sleep, try to do meditation or yoga, and try to sleep minimum 8 hours a day, so that the body gets a rest and the tissues, they don't go to that stage where they start getting inflammation. And try to reduce the stress level. And why it's very important to go and meet a doctor, because there are other problems also wherein if you are self-diagnosing it and taking any such treatment, or there are where you might get confused. So any good doctor, they will first rule out if it is not something else. They might rule out that if it is not anemia or endometriosis or chronic fatigue syndrome or thyroid disease, maybe IBS, because somewhere in chronic fatigue syndrome, anemia, all these symptoms they can manipulate the PMS symptoms. So it is very important to go to a good doctor and get yourself diagnosed, because they will rule out these problems. Ayurveda first of all tries to find out what is your body type, what is your body constituents, what is it made up of. I think most of you might be aware that Ayurveda believes in the fundamental of 5 elements make our body, that is fire, air, water, earth and sky. Okay, so we believe in Ayurveda, we believe that the body is made up of these 5 elements. Okay, so and any particular body is having all these 5 elements in different ratios. So once we come to know, okay, this is the basic constituent of your body. Based on that, Ayurveda then tries to make tries to give a tailor made, it is made as per the patient's body type. It is not, anyone can have any medicine. It doesn't work like that. Now in Asha, we have, a very different kind of approach, where we don't try to take an individual just on the physical level. We try to treat the patient in Asha, at the level of their mind, body, and soul. So the treatment is not only just just a superficial treatment or just a management of certain symptoms. No, we here, because any person is just not at the physical level. There is a mind, there is a body, and there is a soul. So we try to take all the 3 things together and then give the treatment, so that any person is physically, mentally, and spiritually, fit. Please feel free to get connected to the Asha team. We have our expert, as I told you, we have our expert team who will guide you through the entire process. They will guide you how to take the appointment with the doctors, how to go to our nutritionist for your customized diet. And along with that, we have our therapy centers in Geneva also, and we have some therapy centers in India also, where we can help you to come and take the therapies, and even as a point of detoxification, what we call as panchkarma, to make it simplify, I would say it penta purification. So this, the cleansing of the body makes, almost 30 to 40% of the work done. So please feel free to contact us through our website on Asha, and wish you a speedy recovery and a PMS free life. Thank you so much.